Hi, good morning. So, do you want to earn something like Canadian dollars? So, here we go. I'm using this app called Just Play, and this one shown here on the screen is 12.70. Ito yung remaining balance ko na hindi ko pa nakukuha sa Just Play. Pero yung lifetime earning ko is $45.90. And so, ano bang mga nilalaro natin dito? Meron tayo dito mga ball bounce. Um, so, kailangan na lang na ma-reach natin yung goal na naka-indicate dito like 207,000 coins yung kailangan natin para magkaroon tayo ng kita. So, meron din tayo ditong solitaire verse. Yan yung nilalaro ko. Ayan, Treasure Master. We have Mix Blocks, Merge Blast, Bubble Pop, Sugar Rush, Wooden Puzzle, MG, saka yung Trivia Madness. And also, may isang paraan din para kumita is watching video on YouTube. And another one, marami ditong games. Ito nakikita natin yung start earning. So, when you click that, makikita yung different games. And ito, Zen Life, Play Call of Dragons, Blast Friends, and the rest. Ang dami pa. Ang dami mapapilian ng mga games dito sa Just Play. So, this is not an ad, friends, okay? So, I'm just sharing um, my secret. My secret to becoming rich. No, not really. Okay, so eto, meron tayong instructions dito. Napili natin yung Rise of Kingdoms. Papakita ko lang. So you have to play the Rise of Kingdoms, finish the listed tasks. So maraming tasks. But kung matapos mo siya in 25 days, you are going to earn up to 4 million. Yan, 4,300,000 yung nakalagay dyan. So, ayan. So, ah, sa mga payout natin, meron tayong Amazon gift card. So, ayan, ipapakita lang natin yung ating, ayan, yung ating last earning. And, ayan pala, um, sa Amazon at saka sa PayPal. So, ito naman yung sa PayPal ko. Yun yung na-transfer ko na. Ayan, meron na tayong 33.20 Canadian dollars. Hindi ko pa lang na-transfer. So, ayan, continue playing lang. 2 months ko yung ginawa, yung $45.90. 2 months, but still, makakabili na akong 2 burger sa Fat Burger niyan. So, you can just pick it up on the street. So, just play. Play tayo, mga kapatid. Maigi rin. If you're not doing anything, just play.